Hey fishing fans, this is Debbie Hansen for TakeMeFishing.org. The more you learn and prepare as a beginner or even experienced angler, the more fish you'll catch. These fishing tips for beginners can help boost your catch rates and make for a more productive day on the water. When landing your fish, leave at least a rod's length of line in order to make it easier to remove the hook. Try freshwater fishing to start. Small freshwater lakes can be the perfect place for new anglers to be introduced to boat fishing. The waters tend to be calmer and there tends to be less fishing pressure. Rig it right. Strong, well-tied fishing knots won't fail when you set the hook, and certain knots give you the ability to rig your fly or your lure in a way that most mimics natural bait. Think about how a bait or bait fish naturally moves through the water and try to mimic that motion with your rod tip and your reel speed. Change tactics. Switch lures, water depths, or change locations if you've gone a while without a bite. Be patient with yourself. One of the best things about fishing is everything you learn along the way. Remember, fishing is a process, and the more time you spend doing it, the more you catch and the more fun you'll have. For even more tips on how to become a better angler, head on over to TakeMeFishing.org.